Hey, what's up guys, it's Vineet and you're watching Mind Express. In this video we've got the Auvon TENS muscle simulator. This is the unboxing of a TENS machine. Obviously you've got relaxation anywhere, everywhere, silver color model that we have, and this is the box that we have. It's quite useful for someone who's suffering from back pain or muscle spasm or something of that sort. It is one of the tools that is being used by more frequently by physios or doctors to help patients recover from muscular problems, pain around back, lower back specifically, or hip joint, legs, and all that stuff really. So inside the box, and I have to say I would recommend this because I've been using this for a while, and if you go for a physiotherapy session, you'd see a big equipment that your physiotherapist would use more generally, and would have all those wires connecting. This is a smaller version of that same product that your doctors would use, and there's no specific medical advice that's needed for this to be used. So I would be, as long as you're using it within the guidance and within the limits of your pain bearability of that specific area where you're going to be using this, it shouldn't cause any such problems. But I'd have to sort of look at the manual and the direction of usage beforehand. Okay, so here's the box, and inside the box what we have is this card. Thanks for choosing Auvon, happy now, and underneath we've got the Auvon machine itself. As you can see, TENS machine, manufactured in Shenzhen, China, and distributor information. I think 1 year warranty. It's got made in China, of course, and IP22 and CE certified. And ROHS certified as well. And this is the machine. This is the connectors at the bottom, A and B. So this is a dual connector, dual TENS machine, and you turn it on like this. It's turned on. It's got all these different modes in which you can use, and it's fully charged, which is great. 20 minutes at the max. It would operate and it would shut down automatically in 20 minutes. So I'm just going to turn it off, and if you wanted to charge, because it's got a battery inside, you could use a micro USB charging cable to charge. It's got the micro USB charging port which you can use to charge this TENS machine. And this is a magical equipment. I have to say this, anyone who's suffering from any kind of muscular pain should definitely use this. I'm happy to recommend this. It's a really great product. I have never found out what this was, but this is never found out. In the last video as well, there was this box in the Auvon black model. Anyway, so this is the box. This is the bag that you use to carry your Auvon TENS machine. Some user guide plus the pads, the TENS pads. So you connect these pads to these cables. I'll quickly show. This is the charging cable, so I'm going to just leave it as it is, and I'm going to quickly just have a look at the warranty information. I'm not sure if it's got that. I don't know if it's got one. To be looked at quickly, but I know it's 1 year warranty, but I'm just going to keep it on the side. These are the pads, and this is the case that you can use if you want to stick it to your jeans or somewhere side, or hang it on somewhere onto the wall, whatever you want to do. Keep it there, put it onto the side of your jeans or your pocket, and get it on, latch it on like this. It's hard to get in. It's a bit hard. I'm gonna just get this out. Don't want this at the moment. But yeah, so this is the TENS machine. Let me just get some pads out. to just demonstrate what this looks like. We get a couple of pads, and they're fairly nice in terms of its quality. So you can sort of use a pad a couple of times, several times in fact. Like the last time I used a pair of pads was 5 or 6 times, 5 times I think, 5 times before I had to dispose it off. So we've got a pair, 2 and 2, 4. And that's out of the box. So there's a big one and 3 of these, 1, 2 and 3 of the big ones, and 2 and 2, 4 of these. So quite a few pads that come out of the box. And here's the user manual. It's in the form of a leaflet, which you might want to read when you have time. Warning, intended use, removal and storage, and all that good stuff in different languages. Doesn't talk about the warranty, but like I said, it's 1 year from what I remember. It's the bag, and let me just take this out. This is the silver version with the white cables. If you were interested in the black one, it's the black model with black cables. This one cost me about 25 quid on deal, but if you were to purchase this normally, it would be 30 quid, 29.99 or something of that sort. So something you should know. So this goes in here if you were to use only one channel, and the other channel, the cable for the other channel goes in here. I probably won't use the pad, otherwise they're going to get bad. But for now, just to show how this works, you get 2 pads, stick them onto the area where you want them to be used, and turn it on and select, I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, perfect. So select the one, well, I want to sort of take a, 1 sec, let me just go. Okay, so if you see these changing 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So these are the different modes. These are about 4 and 4/8 modes, which have been preset, which you can toggle around and choose to use. So if you were to use number 2 here, you could then, I think you can also change, oh okay, so that's 1, and if you were to choose this one here, so you could choose a specific set of massage or muscle stimulation for this channel, channel B, and channel A would be different. So if you were to click on channel A, it's got a pressing against the back or rubbing against the back. And if you were to click on channel B, it's got the thumping with the with the hands, kind of a massage pattern that you'd use. And in order for this to be used, nothing really needed, just increase, just press the plus sign, and then you see, and you can start to feel the vibration or the stimulation on that specific area that you're using on. And worth noting, the fact is the pad that you've got, if it's new, you'll feel better stimulation, it will be better stimulated, and you'll feel it much more than a pad that's been worn out, and that will also consume more battery. So it's probably advised to use specific amount of times a set of pads and then remove those, because they're going to get old and they're not going to be useful anymore. So that's that. This is how you'd use this. The battery's charged. It's going to operate for 40 minutes before it gets turned off. It's not going to, that doesn't mean that it turns off. It's going to stay on, but the operation is going to turn off. So you can choose to use it again and as many times as you want. So that's that. I'm not going to use the pads because obviously that causes the pad to go bad, and I want to use these. So that's that. So if you were to use this, connect the cables, connect the pads, stick the pads to the specific area where you want to get the stimulation, turn it on, bump up the simulation to a level that's comfortable, and there you go. Turns on, it turns off on its own. The simulation turns off on its own. That's it from my side. If you have any questions or queries with regards to this product or any other product that I have listed down on my channel, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. That's Vinit signing off, and I'll see you in my next best. Take care, guys. Cheers. Bye.